This is for the next vlog, and I'll edit that out. Anyway, we just ended up closing last week's vlog today, because yesterday I just wasn't feeling it, to be honest. For lots of no particular reason. It's just me being me. Anyway, got it done. Got caught up on some artwork. We are going to download said video clips to my computer so that tomorrow I can do some editing in and around babysitting, because that is a thing. I don't know what this one is. I gotta open junk mail, I think. Anyway, I'm babysitting a little extra tomorrow. Son-in-law is still in California, and daughter's got to go to work early. So I want to get the video clips loaded now, which I've been doing Monday morning, but we're going to want to do them now. And then after he goes home tomorrow, I'll do some editing. That'll work. All right, let's get it done. I'll be back. I can't knit until I do this, so I want to work on that sweater. Done. Yay. All right. I gotta finish my vitamins and I'm gonna go do some knitting, because why not? I'll be back.
Mom.
Hi.
Mom.
Hey guys, all right, it is Monday, the end of babysitting day. All day long we had no idea it's Columbus Day. Is that right?
Yes.
The daughter was on the way to our house to pick up the grandson, said she couldn't go to the post office because it was closed. We're like, why? She says it's Columbus Day. Totally.
Columbus Day.
Yeah, no idea. Not on my radar. Anyway, grandson was really good today. I got some business stuff taken care of while he was watching videos about dinosaurs and colors. And I used to have some lanyards and stuff hanging by the chair in the art room that he likes to play with. Well, he broke one of them today. So it was way past time for Oma to take them down. And we've put the parts of it that I want to save in the trinket jars in my front room. And the rest of it I'm going to be disassembling for parts for other projects. It was well past time, to be fair. He didn't get in trouble because, my fault. But anyway, so that's it. We're going to go get some steps in. It is cold, and I guess there was a frost warning. I had no idea. But yeah, it's not summer anymore.
Nope,
all right. So we'll go get our steps in, and then we'll get back, and I'll have some dinner, and I'll do some knitting and all the things. I'll be back. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, October 14th. Little mister should be here any minute for babysitting day. Let me start this off by saying I am not a morning person by any stretch. Never have been. Although I've had some jobs in my lifetime where I've had to be on site at like 4:30 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning. No joke. Yeah, not my favorite thing. But on babysitting days, I usually get up at 6:30 so that I can get a few things, chores or something done before he gets here. This is week 3, and I'm so far doing pretty well with the video clips uploading on Sunday night or Monday, and then editing Tuesday. I didn't think that was going to happen this week. I thought I probably was going to edit like after he went home tonight or super early tomorrow morning. I got it done. So proud of myself. He is on the way over right now. I'm going to go try to do the breakfast dishes before he gets here. And yeah. So far, so good. All right, I'll be back. while we're waiting for the Mill End Fabric Store to open. That was the Michaels in Beaverton, Oregon. It's the biggest, or one of the biggest ones in the Portland area. And they do have a lot more fabric than the one closer to my house. I don't think they have that much more yarn. And notions are like, they have basic notions. So if you need basic stuff, it's fine. This one happens to be next to the Mill End Fabric Store. And while no fabric store has everything, this one has a lot. So generally speaking, if I'm looking for fabric or needlework supplies, I probably ought to start coming here more, because what they don't have at Michael's, they probably have there. So they're open in like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go sit in the car for a couple minutes and we will wait, and I'll get a couple things that I need there. And then we're gonna head to Daiso. We only have one in the area. It's about 6 miles from here, but we're gonna head over there. It's really bright out here. All right, I'll be back. Also, if the Michaels footage looks a little wonky, I was literally walking around with the phone in my pocket, faced outward. So that would be why. All right, I'll be back. Okay, you guys. Progress on the knitting. I might be able to actually get the ribbing on the bottom of the sweater done tonight or tomorrow. Got a bunch of chores done. Mr. Bob is off to the gym. I'm gonna go for a walk. And yeah, I think we're all ready to go for the evening. I'm ready to film making some bags with my new pattern tomorrow. And yeah, it's been a good day. That was Mr. Bob stopping. And evidently when I hung the fall welcome banner in the front of the house, welcome is backwards. So you're welcome backwards? I don't know. Anyway, I'll fix it when I get back. I'll be back. Oh, it's Thursday. I don't have a single clue what time it is, because I've been sewing all day and filming it. Hopefully I was in frame part of the day. I don't have any idea. I made 2 bags. Video coming soon. A new pattern that I designed. And that's over on Patreon, or will be soon when the video comes out, and or I get it edited. Hopefully that what I was doing made sense. I don't have any idea. Otherwise, I might have to make another bag so I'm in camera. So sad. Anyway, I'm gonna just chill for a little bit. It's late in the afternoon. I still haven't finished my vitamin drink yet, which is not good. I'm gonna go get some water and maybe a snack and watch some YouTube, aka doom scroll on YouTube. I don't know. Anyway, I'll be back. It's 5:30. I've literally been sewing all day. Poked myself a whole bunch of times. I think one of the bags has blood on it. Anyway, I think it's time to go downstairs and clean up and sit and again watch YouTube, do some knitting, something that doesn't involve sharp pointy things. I'll be back. So it is 2 o'clock-ish on Saturday, October 18th. Move the caterpillar out of the way so he doesn't get smashed. Yeah, we've been obviously up for a while, and you know, just doing random chores and stuff, but nothing super important. So we did our grocery shopping late last night. So we do have some birthday shopping to do. So we're gonna go do that. I am gonna work on my sweater later, but we're just we've intentionally set it up so we can just have a chill Saturday for a lot of reasons. But yeah, so let's see what we get up to. We do have to buy birthday presents. Do we come home with things we don't really need? It's us, probably. I'll be back. guys. All right. It is 8 something.
8:32.
8:32. There you go. We're, of course, being couch potatoes. And with the clip you just saw is me working on my Italian sweater made out of a wool cotton blend. The one that we're calling the sunset sweater. I did, by accident, pick 2 different colors of yarn. I've said this already. So we're alternating rows in the colors. They're very similar, but not exactly the same. That being said, I love how it's turning out. So anyway, I, of course, am having to do the same thing on the sleeves. And because I want this gradient in the sleeves to be similar to the body, I'm having to do a few rows on one sleeve, cut the yarn, do a few rows on the other sleeve, cut the yarn, go back to this one, cut the yarn, go back. Yeah, so it's, yeah, anyway. It's turning out cute, though. It'll be worth it in the end. I just found out I need to work on some Halloween stuff for grandson, which is fine. So tomorrow we will be headed over to Michael's and trying to find fabric. I miss Joann's. Anyway. And seeing if we can get that done this week. Do that quickly. And I've got a bunch of video clips to download to the computer from here. I'm going to try to do that in the morning while Mr. Bob is off at the gym. And that might take me the whole time that he's gone because some of them are big clips and the computer's not going to like me very much. But anyway, it's been a fun, creative week. I really enjoyed making the bags that we made. Again, here are the bags. The video will be coming out soon. That's the video I'm dreading downloading the clips for. But I will get it edited as soon as I can and get the pattern drafted for my patrons and supporters. That will be over there. The link for which is down below if you want the pattern. And yeah, it's been a good week. I did have adopted daughter tell me she loved the green one with the bee fabric. And we had a little discussion about how, yeah, I do too. I can't get that fabric anymore. It's from Joann's. So yeah, anyway, that's it. It's been fun. It's been interesting as always. Grandson's growing up fast. I don't think I'm quite ready for that, but what are you going to do? He's using more words every day, right, Pop Pop?
Yep, he is.
And starting to make sentences, and he knows how to let himself out the front door. So if Omar,
doors and walking in, walking through them.
yeah, get into things. Not that he's a kid that gets into stuff, except the snack cabinet. He knows where the snacks are.
Yep.
So there's that. Yeah. Anyway, he's adorable. So yeah, I hope you guys have all had a great week. I hope that with the upcoming crazy holiday season, I don't know about you, but it's always crazy busy, that you find some time to do whatever creativity helps calm your soul, your heart. Find 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be long. Crocheting, knitting, sewing, painting, drawing. It doesn't matter. If you like to draw and paint, put a little sketchbook and a small watercolor palette in your bag. When you're going around visiting family and friends, take it with you. Do it in the car, do it on the plane. Yeah, just you can take 5 minutes for that. It's all good. All right. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I get to drag him fabric shopping tomorrow for the grandson. He's going to love it, I'm sure. He's ignoring me. All right.
What's that?
I just said I get to drag you fabric shopping tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll go with you.
I think he's going just so I don't spend too much, but you know.
Yeah, kind of.
All right. That's it for this week. Go out and do something nice for yourself. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.